Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to this has to be day number, this is day number 2. Yes, day number 2, week 6, spring 2025 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. Let's begin. All right. My name is Mr. Petit. Today is Monday, Tuesday, the 11th of January. Well, no, February 2025. The subject is, of course, mathematics. Yeah. Yesterday we looked at how to add and how to add mixed numbers and improper fractions. Today we're just going to be looking at past paper questions. All right. All right, so this next question says, Brian, write this down for me, please. Brian is buying a new Jeep. Brian is buying a new Jeep. His color choices are gold, black, green, or silver. He also has a choice between spinning or plain rims and leather or cloth seats. Write an equation that shows how many different combinations of color rims and seats Brian has to choose from. All right. So our first question, go ahead. Najara, can you read this question for me, please?
Brian is buying a new Jeep. His color choices are gold, black, green, or silver. He also has a choice between spinning or plain rims and leather or cloth. You want me to read that?
Yeah. Good.
Write an equation that shows how many different combinations of color, rims, and seats Brian has to choose from.
Okay. Okay, and go ahead, Lincoln, read the question for me, please.
Brian is buying a new Jeep. His color choices are gold, black, green, or silver. He also has a choice between spinning or plain rims and leather or cloth seats. Write an equation that shows how many different combinations of color, rims, and seats Brian has to choose from.
Very good. So how are we gonna do this? Anyone have an idea of how we are going to answer this? We want to write an equation that shows how many different combinations of color, rims, and seats he has to choose from. You don't have any idea how are we gonna do this? Maya, you know how to do this?
I'm trying to read over it, but so far, no, sir.
So far, no, okay. Najara, how about you?
I'm here.
Okay. So, all right. So we have to look at the different choices that he have. So let's look at the choice that he has, right? So this is gonna be the answer. So let me put this right now. So we have how many colors that he has to choose from? How many colors that he has to choose from?
Gold, black, green, and silver.
Right?
4.
4, right? So if we look at the colors, if we look at the colors that he had to choose from, the colors are going to be how many choices that he has to choose from for the colors?
4.
4, right? So 4 colors. So 4 colors. The colors are going to be 4 choices, right? So it's gonna be this is gonna be gold. What's the next color?
Black,
Gold, black, yeah. Gold, black. What's the next color?
green,
Green,
and silver.
and silver. Right, so those are the 4 choices that he has: gold, black, green, and silver. And then for the rims, so it says right there, let's look at it. It says he has gold and black, green, or silver. Now for the rims, what options does he have for the rims? What options do we have?
Spinning or plain rim.
Very good. Anyone ever saw the rims that are spinning, that spin?
No,
Never saw.
sir.
You never saw
Yes, sir.
the rims on the car and the rims are spinning. You know, like
No, sir.
if you have a car, like the wheel,
I've
like
seen it.
like the what do you call it? The tire, and you have the rims, right? And then you have the rims spinning, right? They'd be spinning.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes, sir.
You ever saw that? You never saw that, Najara? Never saw the rim spinning? No, no.
If I see a car do it, I might know.
Yeah. So sometimes the rims spin, right? So that'd be a spinning rim. So you had the option to choose between spinning rims or plain rims. Which one you would choose, Lincoln? Spinning rims or plain rims?
Spinning.
Spinning rims. Okay. So what are the choices? How many options does he have for the rims? How many options? 2, right? It either could be spinning rims or plain rims, right?
Plain.
And then we have the cloth seats. The cloth seats. How many options we have for the cloth seats? That's gonna be
2.
what? 2, right?
Leather or
Yeah,
cloth.
I said, yeah, not the cloth seats, just the seats. So it either could be leather, right? Or what?
Excuse me,
Or
Mr.
cloth, yes.
For unseats, you're Brian instead of Brian.
Thank you, Brian. Okay, so altogether we have four choices for the colors, two choices for the rims, and two choices for the leather, two choices for the seats.
That seat.
So they write an equation that shows how many different combinations of colors, rims, and seats Brian has to choose from. So it's very easy whenever you're doing combinations. I don't know if y'all ever did combinations before. Whenever you're doing combinations, you just use the product rule, right? And the product rule just tells us that we're gonna multiply all of our options, okay? Just multiply all of the options. And so that means,
Excuse me, Spotty.
uh-huh.
My I on my phone, but it keep telling me that I drawing on the screen. I don't know how to take the drawing thing off.
You're not drawing on my screen.
No, I have the pencil on. I don't know how to take it off because if I move my thing, I can end up drawing on the screen.
Oh, log out and come back in then. Roscoe, turn the camera. Trinity, turn the camera. Roscoe, turn the camera. Trinity, turn the camera. So for this one, what are we gonna do? We're going to use the product rule, and the product rule just says that we have to multiply, right? So it's gonna be 4 times what? Remember, we multiply each, so 4 times what? Times 2 times what?
Times
2.
Times 2. Very good. And what is 4 times 2 times 2? I guess that's what?
16.
16. Very good. So he has 16 options or 16 combinations to choose from. Let me show you how we got this. Uh-huh.
Do you want us to write 4 times 2 times 2?
Just like how I have it, right? Just like how I have it. So how I got it? So 4 times 2 times 2. The way how we got it, we know that 4 times 2 is, that's what? 8.
8.
And
Right?
then 8 times 2 is 16.
Yeah, and then 8 times 2 is 16. All right. And so that's the answer. 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16, and that's the answer right there. All right. Wyatt, do you understand how I got this? Wyatt, do you understand how I got this? Where's Wyatt? Wyatt, do you understand? Where's Wyatt? Wyatt, can you hear me? Where's Wyatt? Lorenda, you understand how I got this? Answer.
Yes, sir.
What did I do?
So from what I see here, you listed down the colors, which was 4. Then you listed down the rims, and then how much the seats like leather and cloth, and then you times all them together. 4 times 2 times 2, and your answer was 16.
Very good. Very good.
Excuse me, Miss Petite. Wyatt said in the chat,
Wyatt can't hear you.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. I can't hear you. Okay. So maybe you have to log out and rejoin. But the rest of us, do we understand how we got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all we did
Yes, sir.
was, based on how many options you have, you're just gonna multiply them, use the product rule. So 4 choices, gold, black, and so there are multiple choices, right? So you could choose the gold, right? Plus the spinning rim, plus the leather seat. Or, right, another option could be, you could choose the black along with a plain, along with cloth seats, right? And then another option is that you could choose the green, right? could choose the green with plain rims and cloth seats. All right. So these are this is just a representation of of the different options that you have. All right. All right. So go ahead and take a picture of this and send them via WhatsApp so we can move on to the next question. Do that for me, please.
I'm still writing this down because I joined late.
Go ahead and take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp for those of us who's finished. Go ahead.
Excuse me, Smitty.
Mhm.
May I get the phone, please?
Yes, we can, quickly.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
My mommy's not here.
Who was home?
Hi, Grammy.
You need to use someone's phone to take a picture of your work. Madeline, where's Madeline?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you understand how I got 16?
Yes, sir.
Explain how I got 16.
So you got 16 by the colors, which there are 4 choices of colors. And then you have 2 rims and you have 2 seats.
Mhm.
So then we multiplied them all together to
Right.
get 16.
Very good. So 4 times 2 gives us 16. That's our answer. That's our answer. All right. Let's move on to the next. Are we done with this? Let me know, please, if we're finished.
No, sir.
Can you take a picture and
Yes,
send it
sir.
chat, please?
I will. Let me do that. All right, let's go ahead and do another question. Oh, let me put this in the chat for those persons who did not get a chance to do this. Legacy, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Sorry for being late.
You were waiting on the link?
No, sir. I just
Oh,
lost track of time.
oh, I thought you was waiting on the link. All right, it's the same link in every class, so you don't have to wait on the link. All right, let's go ahead and to the next question. So question number 2. So for those of you who are still writing, let's quickly take this down for me. All right. So let's do another similar question. So let's say that Emily, number 2, Emily is designing her her own custom sneakers. She can choose between white, blue, red, or black for the base colors. She also has the option. She also has the option to
Excuse
pick.
me, Mr. Bickley.
Uh-huh.
I can't see your screen.
You can't see my screen.
No, sir. And I can't see the picture in the chat either.
Let me stop sharing and share again. She also has the option to pick either can you see it now?
Yes, sir. But I
I-
can't see the picture in the chat no more either.
Okay, let me see. You on your phone?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
My laptop charger, something wrong with it. It's not working anymore.
let me send you I'm gonna send you the I'm gonna send it on your phone so you got it.
Yeah.
So she also has the option to pick either either high top or low top styles. Additionally, she can select between laces or Velcro for fastening. Laces or Velcro for fastening. Write an equation. Write an equation to determine how many different combinations of base color style and fastening Emily has to choose from. Write an equation to determine how many different combinations of base color, style, and fastening Emily has to choose from.
Excuse me, Mr. Ritchie.
Mm-hmm.
Your screen is black again.
Let me see, let me check again. Can you see it now?
No, sir.
The rest of us, can we see it? Can you all see my
Yes.
screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Log out and come back in Maya. Maybe it's your screen. Wyatt, can you hear me? Where's Wyatt? Oh, his mic is not working. Trinity, turn your camera, please. Trinity, turn your camera on. Trinity, read this question, please.
Emily is designing her own. Anytime Emily is designing her own custom sneakers, she can choose between white, blue, red, or black for the base colors. She also has the option to pick either high tops or low top styles. Additionally, she can select between laces or Velcro for fastening. Write an equation to determine how many different combinations of base color, style, and fastening Emily has to choose from.
Very good. Good. Lincoln, read the question for me as well.
Excuse me, Miss Petit, before I do that, can I take it?
Yes, we can. Where is Madeline? Madeline, read this question for me, please.
Emily is designing her own custom sneakers. She can choose between white, blue, red, or black for the base colors. She also has the option to pick either high top or low top styles. Additionally, she can select between laces or Velcro for fastening. Write an equation to determine how many different combinations of base color, style, and fastening Emily has to choose from.
Very good. And Roscoe, where's Roscoe? Or Roscoe, his mic is not working. Roscoe, can you hear me? Roscoe, can you hear me? Legacy,
Yes, sir.
read the question for me, please.
Emily is designing her own custom sneakers. She can choose between white, blue, red, or black for her base colors. She also has the option to pick either high top or low top styles. Additionally, she can select between laces or Velcro for fastening. Write an equation to determine how many different combinations of base color, style, and fastening Emily has to choose from.
Very good. All right, so for base color, right? For base color, what are our options? How many options we have anyway for base color?
4.
4, right?
Yeah.
So the base color is going to be 4. What are the colors?
Red.
White, blue, red, or black.
White, blue, red,
I don't do that.
or black. Very good.
I am scared.
Oh.
Excuse
Uh,
me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
I got the answer.
What's your answer?
I got 16.
16. Okay. Then we have
Excuse me, Miss Petit, I got my answer as well.
what you got?
16.
16 too? Well, okay, now we
Yes.
have to choose the style. What is the style that we could choose?
High top.
High top, high top, or low
Low
top?
top.
Yeah. Write this down, please. Again, make sure I write this down. And the fastening. What's the options?
Laces or Velcro.
Laces or Velcro, very good. In the writing equation to determine how many combinations of base color. Okay, so what does the rule for combination say that we have to do?
Multiply.
Multiply, product rule. So if we have 4 options for base, 2 options for style, and 2 options for fastening, the product rule tells us that we have to multiply those in order to get our answer. So what does that mean? That means that we're gonna multiply it. So we have what? We have 4 multiplied by what?
2.
Multiplied by 2. Multiplied by what?
2.
Multiplied by 2. And that gives us what?
16.
16.
16, just like our previous answer. All right, so how do we get 16? Let's multiply them.
Because 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16.
Very good. So we
We
say,
could also say 4 times 2 squared.
very good, that's also right. Excellent. 4 times 2 multiplied by 2. So we say 4 times 2, which gives us 8, right? And then 8 times 2, which gives us 8 times 2, which gives us what? 16. All right, and that's our answer. That's 16 is our answer. All right. Take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. But do you all understand how I got this? If there's is there anyone who do not understand, let me know.
I understand it.
I understand.
Understand? Okay.
I
Okay, good.
understand.
Good.
Excuse me,
So
I can get the phone, please.
yes, we can.
Thank you.
All right. So basically, we're just using the product rule to multiply them, and that's how we're gonna get our answers. All right. Lorenda, you understand this? Lorenda, do you understand this? Where's Lorenda? Maya, you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It says she left.
Okay, Lorenda. Madeline, Trinity, the rest of you, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. And let's go ahead and do a great exercise on this. All right. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Adaya, are you finished with this? Where's Adaya?
I sent my work in.
Okay, good. Adaya, are you finished?
No, sir, I'm not finished.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's do great exercise. I think we're ready for the great exercise, right?
I'm
So
about to send it, Mr. Petit.
let me put this inside the chat. And then I'll let y'all do the great exercise based off of this. It's a great exercise. Number 1.
I sent my work, Mr. Petit.
Good. So let's say Daniel is customizing a new laptop. He can choose from silver, black, or blue for each color. He has to select either 13 and 15 inch. He can choose a touchscreen or regular display. Write an equation. Determine how many different colors, combinations of colors, screen size does he have to from this? Number 1. Number 2. Sophia is picking out a new backpack for school. She can choose from red, green, yellow, or orange. She can also select item that write an equation to show how many different combinations that she has. All right. Okay. Trinity, what number you on? What number you on, Trinity?
Number 1.
Number 1. Writing it down or answering. Lincoln, what number you on?
Number 1.
Number 1. Okay. Wyatt, can you hear me? Where's Wyatt? Where's Wyatt? I can't hear from Wyatt. Adaya, what number you on?
Number 1.
Okay, you understand what to do for this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Miss Matee, can you hear me?
I can hear you now. Yeah.
I couldn't hear you for.
Okay. And Maya, what number you on?
Number 1 equal.
Okay.
Listen, Mr. Matee.
Mm-hmm.
Can I use the bathroom, please?
So you can.
Thank you.
I can see what number you on.
I'm on number 1.
Okay.
Excuse me, Miss Petite.
Yes.
I have to leave for track practice now.
Did you finish number 1 at least?
No, sir, not yet.
Okay. Take a screenshot of it so that you can have it.
Excuse me, Mr.
Go ahead, Trinity.
Question number.
Say it again.
Question number.
Oh, let me put inside the chat. 426 8891.
Hi, Miss Petit.
All right, no problem. Najara, what number you on?
I'm answering.
Number one?
I'm answering number 1.
Okay, turn your camera, Najara, turn your camera legacy.
Pardon?
Turn your camera on.
I'm sorry.
Madeline, what number you on?
I'm still on number 1.
So number one, okay.
Mr. Petit, do you want me to put like 13-inch, like what we did, exactly what we did in the other one, or do you want me to do the equation? Just do the equation.
No, do like how we did it. Base color, and then do it. Yeah. Go ahead.
I sent in my work.
If you finish all two,
No, sir. I sent in the one I was supposed to send.
or the notes, okay. All right. Adaya, what number you on? Adaya, what number you on? Adaya, where's Adaya? Adaya, can you hear me? Can't really hear from Adaya. Adaya, can you hear me?
Yeah, I couldn't hear you, but I can hear you now.
Yeah, I was saying, what number you on?
I on number 2.
Do you understand how to do number one?
A little bit.
A little bit. What's your answers for number one?
I write in the questions down.
No.
First.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Answer number one, please.
Yes, sir.
Answer number one. Where is Lorenda? Lorenda, can you hear me?
I ain't even started. Yes, sir.
What number you on?
I'm answering number 1.
Okay. All right. And Trinity, what number you on now?
Number 2.
Number two, okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, do you want us to multiply by the number of things there?
Yeah, so it depends on the amount of choices, right? So that's how you should multiply by.
I'm on number 2 now.
So you have to count the amount, right? Like how many colors you have, how many different screens you have, screen sizes you have, how many different types, display types you have, multiply them. Maya, what number you on?
I'm showing number 1 now.
Okay. Madeline, are you done with number one?
Yes, sir.
What number you on now?
Number 2.
Number two. Good. Roscoe, can you hear me? Where's Roscoe? Roscoe, can you hear me? Roscoe, I cannot hear from you. I cannot hear you. Roscoe and Wyatt, can you answer inside the chat since your mic is not working? Roscoe and Wyatt. And inside the chat, let me know what number you on. Wyatt, let me know what number you on.
I don't think we can hear you.
Yeah, I don't think you can hear me either.
You should probably type it in the chat.
Yeah, that's true. All right. Let me try from Roscoe. Can you hear me now? It's weird. Okay. So make sure answer the questions, please. Answer them based on the information that I gave you.
Excuse me, Mr. Biggie.
Mm-hmm.
I'm finished.
With auto?
Yeah, so
Okay, take a picture of your work and send them via WhatsApp.
before Dad, but I
Phone,
just sent it off.
the phone died. Oh wow. Quickly charge it and then send it to me. Um, okay, Trinity, you're finished with the first two, right? Trinity? That's Trinity.
She's charging her phone.
Okay, that's true.
It's petite.
Uh-huh.
For number 2, are we just like gonna the combinations is like the colors in the zip in the buckle?
She can choose either a line.
I'm answering number 2.
I see you saying 4 colors. Oh, that's also 2. So that would be like similar. Let me write it. Let me write it properly. She can either choose. For number 2, she can choose. Or she can choose. And she can choose between. Yeah, that would also be 2. Right? And that would also be 2.
So we're just writing a
Say it again.
So we're just writing a number.
Yeah, so it'll be like, because that's sort of like a fastener, so you could call it fastener or fastenings, right? Because it's basically there to like the zipper is there to fasten everything together. The same thing with the buckle. So she got to choose a zipper to fasten the bag or a buckle. So all two of them is the same thing. Either for fastening, you gotta have a zipper or a buckle. So that would be two.
Yes.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Mhm. All right, are we done with these questions? Let me know if y'all finished, please.
I'm just writing the last bit of number 2.
It's gonna be, if you finish with that,
I'm
then
done.
okay. If you finish with it, take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp. Then you could do the questions at the bottom. 9 and 3/6 plus a half.
I have a million of these questions to do for school.
You mean these type, right?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Where is Adaya, what number you on?
I on the last couple words of number 2.
Did you answer number 1?
No, I almost finished. I trying to search, not search. I trying to look back at the notes in the back while I write and stuff so I could hurry up and finish it.
Answer number 1, please. That's the first
I
thing I told
am.
you. You want to answer number 1 yet? And you're still trying to do number 2. Answer number 1.
Excuse me.
Go ahead.
I can't see the numbers for the fractions.
You can't see them? Okay. Can you see it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Maya, what number you on?
I'm answering number 2.
Sorry, number 2. Okay. And Lorenda, what number you on?
I'm about to go into the addition and subtraction mixed numbers.
Mixed numbers, okay.
Mr. Petit, does the zipper and buckle count?
Yeah, that would be 2. Yeah, they do. That would be like the fastenings. Madeline, what number you on?
I'm answering number 2.
Answering number 2. Okay. All right. Trinity, what number you on? Which one you on? Where's Trinity?
I'm on the second one.
Okay.
I sent in my work, Mr. Petit.
Okay. Okay. For number 1, you forgot something. You forgot the display type. Legacy. Because
The
remember it's
display type?
remember it says touchscreen or regular display.
Oh, yeah.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's go ahead and answer these questions. Are we done with question number 1? Let me know if y'all finished with question number 1. Let me know, please.
I'm finished now.
Okay. For question number 1, Adaya, where's Adaya? Adaya, can you hear me? Adaya, can you hear me? Where's Adaya? I can't hear from Adaya. Lorenda, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read question.
Daya said she can't hear you in the chat.
Okay, thank you. Read, wait 1 second.
I'm finished with the fractions.
Okay, good. Go ahead, Lorenda, read number 1.
Daniel is customizing his new laptop. He can choose from silver, black, or blue for the color. He also has the option to select either a 13-inch or 15-inch screen. I can choose between a touchscreen or a regular display. Write an equation to determine how many different combinations of color, screen size, and display type Daniel has to choose from.
Good. Madeline, explain how we're going to get an answer for number 1.
We're going to get our answer for number 1 by getting the colors that were said, which are silver, black, and blue.
How many colors is that?
3.
3, very good.
And then we're going to say how many, then we're going to write how many screen types she was able to pick, but aka by touchscreen or regular display, which are 2.
There's something that comes before that.
Oh yeah, my bad. I mean the screen, which she can pick from a 13-inch or a 15-inch screen, which is 2.
Very good.
And then the display, which she could pick between a touch screen or a regular display, which is 2 as well.
Very good. And so what do you have here?
We have 3 times 2 times 2, and we have to multiply them all up.
Good. What is 3 times 2?
3 times 2 is 6.
Good. And 6 multiplied by 2 is what?
12.
Good. So the answer is what?
12.
How many persons got 12 for number 1?
I did.
12 for number 1.
I did.
I did.
I did.
Very good. Very good. Anyone else got 12 for number 1? Let me hear you.
I did.
Okay. Good. Adaya, where's Adaya? Adaya, can you hear me? Adaya, can you hear me? Adaya, can you hear me? Can't hear from Adaya. Adaya, can you hear me? Can't hear from Adaya. Go ahead, Maya. Read number 2, please.
Sophia is picking out a new backpack for school. She can choose from red, green, black, yellow, or orange. She can also select either a large or medium size and can choose between a zipper or a closure. Write an equation to determine how many different combinations Sophia has to choose from.
Okay. How did you get your answer for this?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
So what I did, I looked for the color, and there are 5 colors in total. And then I looked for the size.
Mm-hmm.
And there are 2 sides, and then I looked for the zipper, and there are 2. And then 5 times 2 times 2 gives it 20.
How many persons got 20 for number 2? Anyone got 20 for number 2? Let me know if you got 20.
I did.
I got 20.
I did.
20, very good. Anyone got all right, all 2 right? Let me know, please, if you got all 2 right.
I got.
I did.
Excellent.
I did. I did.
Excellent, very good.
I did.
Good. Let's go to the mixed numbers. Did y'all do that? The mixed number question.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go ahead, Najara.
Yes, I did.
Explain number 1.
Number 1. First, we're gonna have to multiply and then add. We're gonna multiply 9 times 6, then add 1. And that's 55 because 9 times 6 is 54 plus 1 is 55.
Yes.
You always keep your denominator.
Good.
Now we have to find the LCM, the lowest common factor.
Multiple.
Lowest common multiple.
Go ahead.
55 over 6 stays the same because it's times 1.
Uh-huh. What else?
1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 3 is 6.
Good.
$55 plus 3 is 8. 58 over 6.
58 over 6. Okay. And what is your final answer?
My final answer is 9 4 over 6. Then I simplified that and it's 9 2 over 3.
Anyone else got 9 and 2 over 3? Let me know if you got that.
I did.
9 and 2 over 3.
I get 9 and 4 over 6.
Okay. But you have to
And then
simplify.
I did simplify it.
And what you got when you simplify it?
9 and 2 over 3.
Very good. 9 and 2 over 3. Anyone else got 9 and 2 over 3 for the answer? Anyone got 9 and 2 over 3?
I did.
Okay. All right. For
I
number,
just made it to that part.
we just made it that part. Okay. Good. Let's go in there and do the next one. Trinity. Trinity,
Yes, sir.
explain this, the second one.
So the second one, first you have to add 9 times 6.
Mm-hmm.
And then you add 2.
So what that gives you? What that gives you on top? What does that give you on the top? Yeah.
54
Plus 2 is what?
plus 2 is 56.
Good. 56. Good.
It moved to business casual, so people don't dress up. Most people, like most of the foreigners in the company that I work with, wear jeans shorts. So,
And then what do we do after that?
You add 56 plus 3
Okay.
plus 3 over 6.
Mm-hmm.
And that gives you 59 over 6.
Very good. 59 over 6. Roscoe, you have a question?
people wear suit and nice, casual pants and, a soft.
Where I do the next mix.
Yes, we can. Um,
Miss Cookie.
we have 56 plus 3, which gives us what?
Which gives you 59 over 6.
Mm-hmm. And what y'all answer when y'all change it into improper fraction?
I got 9 5 over 6.
9 and
5 over 6.
yeah, 9 and 5 over 6. Yes.
I got that wrong because I put
9 and
1
506.
2.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Nine,
sir.
9 and what?
5/6.
9 and 506, okay.
Can I do number 3?
The young man already asked for it.
Oh.
Go ahead, Roscoe. Roscoe? Where's Roscoe? Who's your say? Literally asked to do that. Okay, go ahead, Najara, since I don't hear from him anymore.
9. We're gonna do the same thing. 9 times 6 and plus 3.
Good.
And that's 57.
Uh-huh.
And you always keep your denominator. So that's 57/6 plus 1/2.
Uh-huh. Plus what?
1/2.
Where's Adaya? Adaya, can you hear me? Oh, I think she left. What are we gonna do at this point?
We have to now find our lowest common multiple.
Mm-hmm.
And that is 6.
Good.
So we're going to use 3 and 1.
Mm-hmm.
57/6 times 1 is 57/6 because anything times 1 is the same thing.
Yes.
So it's going to be plus 3/6 now because 3 times 1 is 3 and 2 times 3 is 6.
Good.
57 plus 3 is 60.
Uh-huh.
It's going to be over 6.
Yes.
You can simplify that by 6.
Mm-hmm.
So it's going to be 10/1. And anything over 1 is just God's whole number.
Yes, 10. Very good. All right, so the answer for that one is 10. Anyone else got 10? Let me know, please.
I did.
Okay, Madeline. All right, good. All right. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I'm gonna let y'all go early today. So once you ready to take a picture of your work, then you can leave. Have a wonderful evening. And I'll see you all on tomorrow.
I took a picture of my work already, Miss Petit.
All right.
Thank you for teaching our class.
Thank you as well.